Hey guys, Bobby Legs here, and today I'm doing a quick little unboxing video watch I purchased from Mark over at Long Island Watch, the ISL 09. He just released it earlier this week with the blue dial colorway. Um, I didn't know if I was going to pick up one of these watches when Mark first released them a few weeks back, but when I saw earlier this week that the release of the blue colorway ones, I knew that that color popped, and I really liked the color combination with the bezel, um, and so I knew I had to pick one up, at least for review purposes, possibly for staying in the collection. Wow, wow, really, really, really great looking watch. Sapphire bezel. Yeah. So Mark was mentioning that he couldn't get the color that he wanted, the blue, um, in with a ceramic. It just didn't look right. Um, but wow, he really nailed it. Um, this is a good looking watch. And Mark gets it. You know Mark gets it where Seiko doesn't. Seiko discontinues the SKX. Um, they put out a Seiko 5 diver that has been touted as the replacement, not necessarily by Seiko, but just by the fans of the SKX, and it fell short. I've done a couple reviews, and that watch it fell short. This watch seems to pick up where that other the SKX diver fell short. I mean, you have a sapphire crystal, um, sur- um, sapphire bezel. That's great. Screw down crown, 200-meter water resistance on this. I'm gonna do a full review in the next week or so. So be on the lookout for that. If you have any comments, please write them below on the comment section. If you guys have picked one of these up and want to let me know what your experience has been so far, I would love to hear that. So stay tuned for a review on this Islander ISL 09.